So good day everyone, my name is Gertrude Del S. Rebulio and I'm going to discuss to you guys the drainage waste and vent, or also called as DW system. And also I'm going to report to you or discuss the sample commercial building plans and explain each part. So first is for introduction. So the drainage or drain waste vent system, also known as the sanitary system, is all of the plumbing in your home minus the water supply system. So ang DW or drain waste vent system daw kay kala tanan-tanang system, plumbing system sa inyong balay, pero walay labot ang water supply system or atong mga water plumbing system. So ang atong i-discuss lang karon kay kaning drain waste vent system. The DW system is one of the most important and complicated system in home. So for objectives, to know the importance of listing the material installation, to know the terminologies related to DWV system, to identify and list each part of drainage or drain waste vent system of the building. DW system, DWV system, or drain waste and vent system can be complex and extensive as pipe routes are a result of determining fixture locations, fixture requirements, relative codes, construction obstacles, and company installation standards. So as what I have said earlier sa introduction, the drain waste and vent system or DW system is very complex plan for a plumbing. So understanding of basic layout of the system can be crucial to plumbers and maintenance technicians when diagnosing and clearing blockages and troubleshooting other drain and sewer abnormalities. Next is for DWB terminologies. For the terminologies, akong gipili ilang katong mga related lang sa atong DWB system. So, naaray uban na, ang uban ani guys, na-discuss na siya sa mga previous nato na reporters. So, ako ra i-review or quick recap lang ta for these terminologies para mas ma-remember pa nato. First is for building sewer. A building sewer is the main pipe used to transport sewage and waste water from a DWB system to a point of disposal or termination. Example for this is the municipal sewer line. So, ang building sewer daw guys, kay wala itong nag-connect sa atong drainage waste, drain waste vent system sa atong balay, patulong sa atong municipal sewer line. Next is cleanouts. Cleanouts, the start of a building sewer is typical where a cleanout is installed with its connection to the building drain. Cleanouts are installed in various locations throughout a system and the maximum distances are found in a code. Books typically cannot be more than 100 feet apart. Next is for building drain. Building drain is the building drain, the lowest horizontal portion of a drainage system, and receives discharge from waste stacks and horizontal branches. Next is waste stack. Waste stack is the main vertical pipe that starts with its connection at the building drain and terminates with its connection to the stack vent. It receives discharge from all horizontal branches and must have clean out at its base. Next is the stack vent. The vent for the waste stack is known as the stack vent and begins at the highest branch connection to the waste stack. Next is for vent stack. A vent stack is sized based on numerous factors including the total discharge of load of a system and the length it travels. The vent stack can transition horizontally without requiring a relief vent. Next is for branch vent. A branch vent serves as a vent for horizontal branch and connects to the vent stack or a stack vent. A branch vent is sized based on the size of horizontal branch, the drainage load of the horizontal branch, and the distance it travels. Fixture branch. The fixture branch is a drain pipe that connects more than one fixture drain to a horizontal branch or major segment of the WV system. Next is for horizontal branch. A horizontal branch is a drain pipe that connects horizontally, literally horizontal, to a major segment of a DWV system. It can either connect to a waste stack or a building drain. It connects more than one fixture drain or a fixture branch to a main segment of the WV system. Next is for the fixture drain. The fixture drain serves as a single fixture trap and is sized based on a particular fixture load. Individual vent. Individual vents serves one fixture trap and are a vertical extension of a drain. They must be at least half the diameter of the drain they serve, but no smaller than 1 to 1/4 inches or mm. Next is trap. A trap is a plumbing fixture connected to a drainage system must be protected by a fitting or device that serves as a protective water seal to prevent harmful sewer gas from entering an occupied space. This device is also called a trap. So for next topic, the plumbing installation and materials. Plumbing installation and materials. Although the different parts of the plumbing system and their functions and correlations with each other were already defined and explained, yet it will not be more meaningful and appreciated unless seen and put together in one working unit system. Cost estimate is the determining factor of any project study where final decisions are based. The plan of any piping installation will not be considered complete unless accompanied with a listing of the materials to be used. As mentioned earlier, there are as many plumbing design and layout as many designers working in this field. But up to this point in the time, there is no specific rules ever formulate or which may be formulated fixing a definite line of routing or rerouting of the pipes to serve plumbing fixture for a particular design or arrangement. Thus, any piping layout combination or arrangement will do and beyond question provided that the physical laws of nature relative to the plumbing system and the provision of building code is not violated. So next is the type of drainage system. So first type of drainage pipe system is the two-pipe system. So the two-pipe system is the best and most improved system of plumbing. Two sets of vertical pipes, one for excreta or night soil, as soil pipe and other for sewage as waste pipe. The soil pipes as well as waste pipe are separately ventilated by providing separate vent pipe or anti-siphon H pipe. This system has 4 vertical pipes. The next type is the one-pipe system. So instead of using 2 separate pipes for excreta and sewage, only one vertical main pipe is provided, which collect both night soil and sewage water. The main pipe is ventilated at the top. In addition, a separate vent pipe is also provided. This system has 2 vertical pipes, 2-pipe system, 1-pipe system. Next is the single stack system. This system is having a single pipe for soil, waste, and vent without any separate ventilation pipe. It uses only one pipe which carries night soil as well as sewage, and the same pipe is extended up to 2 meters above roof, level with a cowl to act as vent pipe for a removal of gases. Next is the partially ventilated single stack system. This is an improved form of a single stack system where the traps of the water closets are ventilated by a separate vent pipe called relief vent pipe. This system uses two pipes as in single pipe system. The single soil and waste pipe is connected to a vent pipe and thus cost is reduced. Single stack system. So the next topic is for the example plans. For situation 1, single unit toilet and bath. Presented in figure is plumbing installation of a single unit comfort room with a general floor dimension of 120 centimeters wide by 200 centimeters long. So solutions, the first part is for the materials for house drain. So these are the fittings that we need to use for the materials for house drain. So kailangan ito one piece na 75 mm and 1/8 bend elbow with cleanout cover. 175 mm cleanout cover, isa ka 75 mm by 50 mm reducer T for laboratory waste. Isa pud ka 75 mm by 50 mm T for vent pipe connection. Duha ka 75 mm Y to receive water closet and P-trap. Isa ka 75 mm P-trap for floor drain. Isa ka 100 na floor, isa ka 100 na 100 mm floor drain strainer. 170 one piece of 75 mm long sweep elbow to receive water closet waste. One piece of chicken joy. One piece of 75 mm and 3 meters PVC pipe. Next is for material for waste and vent pipe. Kailangan na to 2 piece of 50 mm by 50 mm T. One piece of 50 mm 1/4 bend elbow and duha ka buok na 50 mm by 3 meters PVC pipe. So next is the designation sa atong plans kung asa dapit atong mga fittings ibutang. So for the first material for house drain, one piece 75 mm and 1/8 bent elbow cleanout cover. Na siya dire. Dira siya dapit. Elbow, no? So muna siya elbow. Next is the isa ka buok na 75 mm cleanout cover. So dire cover siya dira siya na cover sa cleanout cover. Next is the 175 mm by 50 mm reducer T for laboratory waste. So dire wala siya T, reducer T. Next is the 1 piece of 75 mm by 50 mm T for pen connection. So E kani dire wala siya ID rather kani T Malaysia. So next is for E, kumano siyang E, duha ka buok na Y to 75 mm ang size. So wala siya. Then for one piece of 75 mm P-trap floor drain sa F. So mao ni siya. P-trap. P-trap P-trap. So one piece, next is one piece na 100 mm floor drain strainer. So that's letter G right. So kanini gini. Taas sa P-trap. Which is kani F. Sa H is one piece of 75 mm long sweep elbow to receive waste. Kani 175 mm H. So kani. So kung kung tanaw na to siya maayo, so mo ni siya. Kani diri mo. Elbow tawag ani kay mura siya elbow. So lastly is the I. Kaning 75 mm by 3 meters na PVC pipe mo ni siya. Wala siya. So next is for the materials for waste and vent pipes. So to determine ato ra designate na makita ra man siya diri. Sa A kaning duha ka buok na 50 mm by 50 mm T. So A kani mao ni siya. Kani o kani for laboratory na siya. Lavatory rather. Next is for B, one one piece of 50 mm 1/4 bent elbow, so kana siya. Then duha ka buok na 50 mm by 3 meters sa PVC pipe, so mo ni siya kana letter C. So the last example is the situation 2 for 2-story single unit toilet and bath. Presented in figure is an example of plumbing installation for multi-door 2-story type building with upfeed water supply system. Prepare the bill of the materials required for both DWB system. For solution, first is for the materials for house drain. Natay one piece na 100 mm long sweep, bend elbow for clean out, isa ka buok na 100 mm clean out cover, one piece again for 100 mm by 3 meters PVC pipe, one piece 100 mm by 50 mm wire reducer, duha ka buok na 100 mm 75 mm wire reducer, one piece 100 mm Y, one piece 100 mm by 50 mm T, one piece 100 mm elbow, and isa ka buok na 75 mm P-trap. Next is for the materials for soil stock and soil branch. So, atong first step fittings is the one piece of 100 mm 1/8 bend, tulo ka buok na 100 mm by 50 mm T, isa ka buok na 100 mm by 50 mm Y reducer, one piece 100 mm by 75 mm T, isa ka buok na 75 mm elbow, and lastly the 75 mm by 3 meters PVC pipe, duha ka buok. So naapa di ay the materials for waste and vent pipe, natay duha ka buok na 50 mm 1/8 bend, 3 ka buok na 50 mm T, 3 pieces of 50 mm elbow, and 1 piece of 50 mm P-trap, and 4 ka buok na 50 mm by 3 meter PVC pipe. Next is to determine or yasa i-designate nato itong mga materials na kailangan nato. So for materials for house drain, for A, ang one piece 100 mm long sweep, bend elbow clean out kay naa dire gyapon. And aning B, mo itong clean out cover na 100 mm cover clean out. Sa C, one piece na 100 mm by 3 meter PVC pipe kani wala siya itong PVC pipe na diri sa may horizontal bed. For D kani letter D, isa ka buok na 100 mm by 50 mm wire reducer. Gitawag siyang Y kay mura siya Y ang forma. Duha ka buok for A, duha ka buok na 100 mm by 75 mm wire reducer. Kaning E, kani dira siya letter E. F is for isa ka buok na 100 mm na Y, kani dako na Y. G is kaning isa ka buok na 100 mm by 50 mm na T, kani dire. H is isa ka buok na 100 mm na elbow, sa to H, kani kada elbow na siya. And lastly is the 75 mm P-trap. Ay, P-trap na siya to. So next is the materials for soil stock and soil branch. So for one piece na 100 mm na 1/8 na bend, kaning A, diri dapit kaning sa may Y reducer na heating, diri dapit. Sa B, kani tulo siya ka buok 1 2 3, tulo ka buok na T 100 mm by 50 mm T. For C, kani isa ka buok na Y reducer. D, kaning T gyapon siya pero 100 by 75 mm siya. Letter A kani elbow kaning isa ka buok na 75 mm elbow, and kaning F na PVC pipe na 75 mm by 3 meters kaning F. Lastly is the materials for waste and vent pipe. So for A, duha ka buok na 50 mm 1/8 bend gyapon kani dire dira A. For B, tulo ka buok na 50 mm T kani 1 2 3 tulo ka buok siya. Sa C, kay tulo ka buok na 50 mm elbow 1 2 3 mo na siya kanto-kanto. For D, kay naatay 1 piece na 50 mm P-trap. Letter D, kani dire P-trap na siya. And lastly is for 4 piece na 50 mm by 3 meter PVC pipe. Kani letter A, kana P. Pipe na siya tanan. So, that's it.
Naghintay ka ba? Wala na! It's a prank!
Charan!
So, thank you. That's all. And stay safe, everyone.